Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. I am your girl Shanna. Thank you so much for coming to my channel once again. So on this channel, I think you guys have seen a lot of hair reviews. I am leaning more towards the hair side because yeah makeup videos will come, like, just bear with me. Yeah, so if you clicked on this video, I'm sure you saw the title, and it's all about this easy breezy teapot wig. Like, if you don't want to deal with frontals or anything, even though this is a low-key frontal wig, but you don't need to do too much with this. You don't actually need to glue your sides down or be extra like the way I did. And yeah, this wig is actually straightforward, no bleaching needed, like, and if you want to be ready for family holidays, family get together, what's that thing, work parties, work dinners, go out with your few friends for Christmas dinner, whatever it is, like, you want to feel very festive, this color and this wig is giving. Thank you so much, UNice, for sending me this wig. And yeah, everything will be listed down below. If you want to see how quick it is, I got this wig to look like this. Do keep watching this video. So, okay my loves, so this is the wig, and this is their 22-inch body wave wig. It's a teapot wig. It comes like that, ready to wear. It's so, like, simple, straightforward. With teapot, you don't get too much lace. You only get, like, what, an inch there, and your parting, which is there. See, it's giving me Spice Rum vibes. Yeah, so yeah, anyways, let's move straight forward and install this wig, guys. I'm not gonna bleach it or nothing. Let me just run my fingers through and see how much hair I get out. Okay, I've got like 3 strands of hair there, but it is a colored wig, so yeah. And the length, it looks very true to size. Let me get started. A bit of alcohol rub to clean up my hairline. I just realized that I don't have my got to be spray. I left it at my mum's house, so yeah, I forgot. So I'm just gonna use the bold hole, what's this, Ghost Bond glue. I'll probably do like just 2 layers because I don't want to keep it on for too long. You don't have to do this, by the way. I'm sure it's one of those wigs that you can just put on, like, but I want my frontal to lay flat. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna place the wig on my head. To make sure it's sitting the right way. Okay. The color, okay. As it's a teapot wig, you don't really like need to pluck. You don't really have like the room to pluck anything, so my hairline is gonna look a bit crazy. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off the lace. did that wrong. Excuse me. I look so round. Let's go ahead and just apply a thin layer. Guys, I sweat a lot. That's why I prefer Bold Hold Active or just a spray on my hair, because for glue like this to stick, it takes some time, like an effort. Find that real quick. Put elastic band to hold it in place because I can feel myself sweating. Ooh, this headband feels so firm, guys. Give me some time. I'll let it sit some time and then I'll be right back. So let me remove this off my head. I think I gave it a little bit of time. Ooh, yeah, that feels good. All right, we attempt. Oh, okay. I have a little peekaboo to do a if you know what I mean. Okay, I need to be really careful. This thing is hot. I got my niece's hot club, if she doesn't know. Okay guys, so I'm back. I'm just a little bit annoyed because I hate it. When I look at my camera, it says I've got full battery, and the next minute, I have not got a full battery, honey. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a bit of concealer in the parting. Like this wig, I don't really need to do too much. Well, I'm just a little bit extra. I'm just trying to make it look cute so that I can wear it tomorrow for school run as well. Here we go. All right, that parting looks nice and sharp and long. All right, where did we leave left off? Baby hairs. Okay, I want it to cut a little bit because I want to. Don't really have an explanation. You don't have to do this, but I tend to do the most with these ready-made like wigs. Alright, I'm only doing this because of the hairline. I can't do too much plucking. I can't do any plucking, so it's easier to wear it as a closure wig than a okay, this thing is not sharp. All right, so I want to attempt to slick these bad boys just to give it a little bit of a, to give my face a bit of a definition. I'll be right back. So hopefully I'm still in focus. Hopefully you guys can still see me. So just went to take a bit of gel. I was gonna do the mousse method, but I don't have much time. And it's quite late. I can't turn on my blow dryer. My daughter is asleep. Okay. Let's cut all these extra bits. One thing about hair is it will get in your face, like guys, look at that. I didn't even get to like do the whole curly bits. That was nice and easy. I didn't even get to curl the baby hairs. So now that's done, I want to show you guys the curl pattern without me having to like curl it or anything. I'm still like indecisive on if I want to curl it, but if you guys want to leave it with its natural like curl pattern, you can go ahead, which it looks like that. I look like I'm ready to attend someone's holiday, family gathering. Like invite me for Thanksgiving, just pay for my flight because I do not live in America. Okay, I am a UK babe. All right, so this is the hair. It's nice and full. We like. I'm thinking, should I curl it or should we just leave it like this? Leave it its natural like state. I'll be thinking about it. I'll be thinking about it and then I'll be right back. If I come back with like half of my hair curled, then you know what happened. Okay guys, I guess I want to curl the hem. I am curling the hair. I want to see how pretty it will look. Guys, my camera is flushing again, like, so I'm guessing I'll come back when I finish curling my hair. All right. Right.